Hello, and welcome to the featured demonstration of the Discovery and Cost Insight as a service from VMware. The Discovery service is an automated inventory detection system that brings together inventory information from public and private clouds. The Cost Insight service allows you to analyze and compare cloud spend, finding saving opportunities, and communicate the cost of services to the business. In this video, we will focus on how these services work together to provide a holistic view into the data center by providing continuous and automated inventory detection while ensuring systematic cost control by identifying cloud waste. Our demonstration begins with the VMware Cloud Services landing page. Selecting the Discovery service opens up the service to the Environment Summary page. Here, we can see how many compute and storage instances we have broken down by public and private clouds. In this case, we have configured a private cloud account, vSphere, and a public cloud account, Amazon Web Services. If we select View All Resources, this provides a full list of all of the available machines in your public and private clouds. Using real-time data, let's go ahead and create a focus resource group that we'll want to analyze further. We can filter inventory data based on a number of properties, such as cloud type, names, addresses, regions, and tags. For this example, we will filter data based on a specific cloud. We'll go ahead and click Cloud, and we'll select Amazon Web Services as the category that we want to sort through. We can also add further filters. In this case, we want to go see all of the instances that are specific to the compute. So we'll go ahead and select the category as compute, and we'll go ahead and hit enter to enable the filter. Once we hit enter, we can see the list of all of the Amazon instances that are compute that are associated with this specific cloud. We'll go ahead and click Create Group to create this specific group. We'll go ahead and name this group AWS All Compute. We'll enter a description of EC2, and we'll go ahead and create this group. Resource groups allows us to organize inventory data to further analyze it in Cost Insight. We'll go ahead and use the switcher on the right and switch over to Cost Insight service. Switching over to the Cost Insight, we can see the overview dashboard. On this dashboard, we get a glimpse at our cost across the public and private clouds. We can see the associated expenses for each of the clouds and the trending on this expense based on the month. The inventory distribution across clouds is also shown. We can see how many clouds are configured as well as each account that's configured for that cloud. We can also get a glimpse on how many VMs are running on those clouds. We can also see the most expensive groups. In this case, we'll see the group that we just created from Discovery Insight and a group that was already existing there. We also get to see the expense distribution across the clouds and which clouds are mostly the most expensive. Clicking on Cost Analysis, we can bring that group that we created earlier. So we'll go ahead and clear this filter. And if we click on the group and we'll select our group that we just created and we apply this filter, we can see a very focused summary overview with all the cost details as well as inventories for the specific group. We can also see the top 5 most expensive VMs that are associated within this group for this month. We can also see the trend of this specific group, and we can see here that our expenses are increasing as our month has gone by. We can also dive deeper and click on a specific VM to see the cost breakdown. We can see all of the cost breakdown for the specific VM. We can see the summary on the month. What is the projected cost of this specific VM for the month? And of course, we can take this data and actually export it to a CSV file for further analysis. We can do the same by looking into this, the main cost analysis for that group. We can also export that as a CSV. Clicking on the cost savings tabs, we can explore further costing reductions on the configured clouds. Here, we could see that we could save $762 on AWS by following 94 recommendations. This data is all based on the cost settings that can be configured for each organization. Things like depreciation model, the depreciation years, and the utilization parameters. We can specify how long the VMs we want them to be on or off. Of course, this data can also be exported to CSV if needed to. This concludes our brief demonstration of VMware Cloud Services, Discovery and Cost Insight. Thank you.